Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to download the Ditto app. But before that, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell button to be updated with our latest upload. So the Ditto app is not yet available in the Play Store, but you can download it and install it on your Android phone from other source, which I will show to you now. By the way, the Ditto app for now is for Android only, so there's no way that you can install the app for iPhone. So I think that explains why all the compatible devices, which you can see in Ditto websites, are all Android. To download the app, go to your browser, type in the search bar https:// bit.ly/Ditto app. So I'm going to put the link below. So then a pop-up will appear to download the file. Just tap on download. After download, open the file and install. So you need to sign in with your mobile number and your password. You can now use all the app features like buying load, register promo, and more. So for more how-to tutorials, please subscribe or click other videos to keep on watching. Thank you guys!